Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Deepseek. We click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list here, you will search about Deepseek app. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your